Hello everybody, this is my Sonic Blizzard coaster, part 2, okay? And I put new and I put new batteries in today for it. So they're going up fast. That's how I put them in. Down here is an MP3 player, what I was showing you in my last video, but if you haven't seen part 1, I'm going to tell you all about it now. Right, in part 1, I told you about these, yeah? Going round and showing it all going around, right? This time, I'm showing you this working, the music, okay? Right, hang on. This just bloody fell down on me. For no reason. Sorry about this. So, really sorry about this. Sorry. Right, there's my MP3 player. Just let me play some music for you now.
Beating like a disco drum. I'll trust.
Sorry about this, people, but yeah, works again. Cars, right up. And this is the end of part 2, I'm afraid, guys. I'm afraid this is the end of part 2, but I'll be back very shortly with my new Hot Shot video coaster. But I haven't got it yet, but I'll, you know, do a video when I get it, okay? Bye for now.